Preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance. So here, to minimize the downtime and repair costs, equipments in the company are checked and maintenance at regular intervals. So preventive maintenance should be maintained for the high availability of the technical systems. For example, production plants for the long term. And the preventive maintenance is performed in three different ways: based on time, based on performance, based on condition of the technical objects. So this preventive planned maintenance is classified into three types. Okay, that is, we call it time based, performance based, and based on condition. So first one, time based. So time based means the planning will take place either 1 week, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Performance based, 1000 hours or 1000 kilometers, etc. Next, based on conditions. So temperature, pressure, thickness, width, etc. Now here, to perform all these things, we need to maintain a strategy that is called maintenance strategy. Maintenance strategy. What this maintenance strategy means? It defines the frequencies or the occurrences. Frequencies means packages, and represents the scheduling rule for plant maintenance. Then it provides flexibility of scheduling based on several conditions. It contains packages as counter milestones. It can be set according to time and according equipment, performance. Define once and then used in linking task lists and maintenance plans. So like this, we are going to maintain the strategies. Okay. Now we'll look after the one by one creation. So first, create maintenance strategy. The transaction code is IP11. So go to the transaction code IP11. Click on new entries. And for example, here I create BMWC underscore T. Description, time based strategy, BMW, scheduling indicator, time and strategy unit, maintain as a day format, and call horizon, for example maintain 90, and factory calendar. So list of holidays maintained. Normally this you will get in the real time from HR consultant. So it is standard 01. Press enter. Then double click on the packages. Double click on the packages. Then click on new entries. Click on new entries. So here you need to maintain the package number. So 10 days. Maintenance cycle text. Two weeks. To W. 1 hour. H1. Enter. Next. 30. 1 month. 1M. 2. H2. 90 days. 3 months. 3M. 3. H3. 40. 180 days. So 180 days means 6 months. 6M. 4. H4. 50. 360 days. So you take nearly 1 year. 1Y. 5. H5. 720. 2 years. 2Y. H6. Press enter. So this is time based strategy. Save the document. Once you click on save, now there is an option called package sequence. Click on this package sequence. Once you click on this package sequence, then the system display the time based strategy table. The system displays the time based strategy table. Now here you can see. Suppose if you want to maintain package as 1 for all the above line items instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the preventive maintenance will be performed again. Again, click on the package sequence and see the difference. Now, if you go back, so here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose here, if I maintain 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, you save it. Now click on the package sequence. Now here you can see. So on 15 days, 2 weeks, the 2 weeks afterwards, the service is performed. Then on 30th day, okay, after 2 weeks here, the service is performed. Then again 1 month again service. In 45 days again 2 weeks. So like this, the system will display about the time-based strategy table. Now here on 180 days, you will see here after 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months. Now, for example, again, if you maintain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is number of maintenance packages additional maintain. For example, if 2 packages with the same hierarchy are due at the same time, then both the packages are performed at a time. Like, now you save it. Again, if you click on the package sequence, again it displays here. So like this, a time-based strategy will be created. Now you save the document. Next, we'll create the performance-based one. Now again, I'll create a maintenance strategy for. So first we created maintenance strategy for time-based strategy, where we created BMWC underscore T. Now again, I am going to create maintenance strategy IP11 for performance based strategy BMWC underscore P. Same transaction code, guys. IP11. Click on new entries, BMWC underscore P. So performance based strategy. So as it is a performance based strategy, scheduling indicator will be an activity. So performance in home hours, so measured in hours. Call horizon 90, and shift factor for late completion. Suppose if the activity is performed for late completion, 50%. Early completion, so I will give it to 50%. Enter. Now click on the packages. So click on new entries. So serial number, so 500 hours. Maintenance cycle text, so 500 hour maintenance. So maintain indicator A1 and H1. Serial number 2. Then again 1500 hour maintenance B H2. So let's say get 5000 hour maintenance C3 S3. 7500 hours maintenance H4. 10,000 hour maintenance H5. F6. So like this, we'll maintain the cycle length, maintenance cycle text, horizon, unit of measure, etc. Save. And if you click on pack sequence, it displays again performance base. Now we'll go to create a task list. So yesterday we are discussing about the task list. So first we create equipment task list. Yesterday we are seeing this create equipment task list, and the transaction code is IA010203. Create, change and display. So go to the transaction code IA01. Enter the equipment profile key PM01, key date. Press enter. Now whenever we are creating the equipment task list at the beginning, newly for a new equipment, the group counter will be always 1. Remember, whenever you are creating a equipment task list freshly for the first time for an equipment, the group counter will be always 1. Then you maintain the work center, then plant usage, plant maintenance, that is 4, planner group 100, and status for released, and system condition not in the operation, that is 0. Now here, now first we are going for time phase. So here maintenance strategy, maintain T, time based strategy. Press enter. Enter time based strategy and press enter. Now click on operations. Now here you need to maintain the operations. Here we need to maintain the operation number and the duration for all the operations. When you press enter, the work will be calculated and it displayed automatically. So first one, clean the machine. Oil top up. Replace gasket. Replace the bearing. Service the turbocharger. Check for insulation and maintain, replace bolts and nuts. Then what else you, yeah, next replace couplings. Then radiator, so service of the radiator. So we'll check for injection setting. Replace piston connecting rod or piston, whatever it is. Replace piston connecting rod, or then replace O-rings. Then replace oil seal. Then clean the control panel. Check the alignment of DG and alternator. That's it. Okay, and here how many people are working? So 2 people are working, and operations and all. 2 3 4 2 3 2, etc. When you press enter, automatically the works will be calculated. So like this, whatever the operation to be performed, you need to enter. Now replace the bearing or replace the gasket. Now you select the line item of the replace the gasket. Then select the operation that is replacing the gasket, and there is a option called components. Click on the components. System will display another screen. Again click on component selection. The moment you click on component selection, now see what the system displays the master data, that is your equipment BOM. System automatically displays your equipment. Just recollect your all the master datas. System automatically displays your equipment BOM. See here, all of you. Okay, and here you select the component. So what is that? We are doing replace the gasket. It is replace the gasket or what it is? Yeah, replace the gasket, right? Yeah. Click on component allocation. So replace the gasket. You select this and select the component. Either you can click on this tick mark or else you can double click on it. So automatically displays here. So how many quantity? If you are getting it's okay. Otherwise you can enter 4 pieces, whatever it is. Similarly, so go back. I will select replace the bearing. Click on components, component selection. Now here bearings. So here you have which of the bearing you want to select. Either you can double click on it or click on this tick mark. So if you are getting quantity, it's okay. So because it will pick automatically from the equipment BOM. Then go back. Then next, which is now replace bolts and nuts. Replace bolts and nuts. Click on components. Now click on component selection. Are you able to see any bolts and nuts? No, they are not available in the equipment BOM. Not a problem. You can enter manually. So here replace bolts and nuts. So here I'll select the, so like this you can select the components even though if you don't have in the BOM also. So here star nut star. So here the system displays all the components whatever. So here select and enter 4. Next we'll select the bolts. Click on drop down and you can search here. So system displays all the list of the bolts what we have. 4. So like this you can enter the components manually if you don't have it in the equipment BOM also. Please remember. Okay, then go back. Next replace couplings. So select this line item. Again click on components. Now click on component selection. If you have couplings in the equipment BOM, it's okay. Otherwise Go back, not a problem. You select the couplings. Press enter. So you have coupling, select coupling, enter. Next. Then again, replace piston. Click on components, component selection. You check it out if there are any pistons are there. If you don't have, go back, not a problem. Drop down. So you have the pistons. So you can select any of the pistons you select. Press enter. Okay. So like this, you can perform all these operations. Now, to maintain the frequency of operations. Frequency of operation means all these operations when they are performed. Okay. So to maintain the frequency of operations to be performed, at the bottom there is an option called maintenance package. That is maintenance packages overview. Click on that. The moment you click on it, now see guys, observe carefully here. You got 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Okay. So here clean the machine. You can select 2 weeks. Oil top up like this. Okay. Uh, like this, you can select all the replace bolts and nuts, check piston, O-rings, control panel alignment, etc. Okay, you can select. Go back. Now you save the equipment task list. Now the system will throw the message equipment task list created. So created means it will create one number. Now if you go to change equipment task list, you will press enter. Now here you got the group 30. So here what it is, what are the group created? Group 30. That is the equipment task list number. We call that as a equipment task list number has been created. Okay. Now what we'll do is again we create another equipment task list. Again you go to IA01, IA01, enter the equipment number, profile PM01, date, press enter. Now see here, already it is created under counter 1. Now system is displaying already created. Now click on the new entries. The moment you click on new entries, now observe carefully, this time you got group counter 2. Under group counter 1, we have already created one equipment task list. So here you got the group counter 2. Now description. Painting of 500 kVA DG set. Then you'll get work centers and all usage for plant maintenance, planner group, status for system not in operation. Now here maintenance strategy, that is time-based strategy. Press enter. As usual, click on operations and again maintain the operations. For example, clean the machine, clean the machine, Then again clean the engine, clean the alternator, then clean the control panel, and paint the DG set. Then again, how many people are working? Two people are working. And the duration, press enter. So it is copied automatically. Now select the line out of the component, click on the components, as usual component selection if you have it, or otherwise directly maintain the material. Now here paint. So if you don't know, you can select for the paint, press enter. Then here you can select the options button. So here you select the, so you have plain, so many other blue paint. So let's say I will take 350. There are so many are there, you can select anything. Enter the material and quantity. Now to maintain the, go back. To maintain the frequencies, again click on this maintenance package. Now clean the machine. So clean the engine, alternator, so control panel, paint the DG set, etc. Go back, save. So another equipment task list is created. Now in the same way, again we create another task list. So here group 30 with counters, 1, 2 created. Again profile, enter, press enter. Now see here you got group counter 1 and group counter 2. Again click on new entries. This time you get group counter 3. Now 1500 hours. Maintenance of 500 kV DG set. So remaining the same. Usage for system condition. Now here it is performance based. As usual, again click on operations. Then again clean the machine. Then check the alignment of the DG alternator. Then check for injection setting, service of the radiator, service of the turbocharger. Then again, how many people are working? 2 people, 2 people, 2 people. Hours. So that's it. Okay. Then again, click on the maintenance package. Now here you select the indicator, performance. So we go back, save. So again, if you go to create, so totally equipment task list is created for kVA diesel jet generator for painting of the DG set and number of hours for the machine. Okay. So group counters 1, 2, 3 are created. Now create functional location. IA 11, 12, 13 is the transaction code. Now functional location task list. A functional location task list is assigned to a specific functional location, and using a functional location task list you can centrally define and manage maintenance tasks for your functional location. And the functional locations can help you to prepare maintenance plans and maintenance order for functional locations. Listen carefully. The functional locations will makes us to prepare maintenance plans and maintenance orders for functional locations. So within a task list group, each functional location task list is identified as a group counter. The same like we have seen for equipment task list. For example, to combine several functional location task lists in one group, with the task list group, the system assigns a sequential number, the group counter, okay, to each individual functional location task list. Now go to create a functional location, and the transaction code is IA11. Now here, so what is the functional location? So what we'll do is we'll go to IH01, check it, BMW1, expand whole. Okay, we'll take it as a BMW1 UT1 department of production. So IA11 BMW1 dash UT1 production. Enter profile and date. Press enter. Now here enter description, maintenance of department of production, then work center. Again all these things are same, planner group, status, system 0, etc. Now here you maintain the strategy time based. Press enter, then click on operations and maintain the operations. Clean the department. Next, paint the department. Replace the bulbs, okay, whatever it is located. Next, then mark yellow line cross across the machines. So like this levels me. So again, how many people? 2 people are working. So duration, that's it. Now again select the operation, click on components, if you don't know, So here, what is that now? Paint. So you can search here. So system will display the list of materials. So here you can select the paint. So 350, 120. Back. Then again replace the bulbs, components. So again enter bulb. So here you have orders. Enter. Go back again. Click on to maintain frequency operations. Click on maintenance package. Activate the indicators. So for example, 3 months, 3 months, whatever you want. Save. 21. So equipment task list is created. Group 21 created. Okay. Now we'll create a general maintenance task list. So general maintenance task lists are task lists that are used for general maintenance. They do not refer to a specific technical object. It's a general maintenance because. So using general maintenance task lists, you can define and manage sequence of maintenance tasks which are done centrally and use them for work scheduling. So within this group, several individual general maintenance tasks can be assigned system automatically. And you'll display sequential number, group counter, everything. And this general maintenance task list helps you to prepare maintenance plans and maintenance orders. The main use of this general maintenance task is to reduce the time spent creating equipment task lists. So you can reduce the maintaining of equipment task list. And the transaction code is IA050607. Now create general maintenance task list. So IA0567. IA05. So here you can create whatever you want. So let's say we create general maintenance task list GMTL underscore DG, or else okay, you can create general maintenance task list underscore BMW PM01 key date, enter the date PM01. Now click on, there is option called copy. Click on copy. Now then the system displays all the things. Then enter the, now here click on copy, select the equipment task list, enter, and enter the equipment number, then press enter. Then system displays all the task lists. Now see here, now you select the first task list, press enter. Then system automatically displays all the operations. Now see here, system will displays all the operations, everything. So here you maintain the status for everything. When you press enter, it even displays all the operations. Now see guys, it will display all the operations what you maintain. To maintain frequency, click on maintenance package, Then activate the indicators. Then activate the indicators. So clean the machine, oil top up, replace the bearing, service the turbocharger, check for insulation, replace bolts and nuts, replace couplings. So here whatever you want you can check. Replace piston, oil seals, whatever it is, control panel, check the alignment, whatever it is, etc. Go back, save. Okay. So general task list is created. Now if you want to see, if you want to go change mode, so what is the created? Group counter 1 it is created, right? Okay, fine. Now again you go to create IA05, enter the same task list again PM01, then again click on copy, select the equipment task list, press enter, enter the equipment number, then again enter. This time you select the second one, press enter. So maintain the status for released. System will display all the operations. Click on maintenance package. So here, clean the engine. Clean the alternator. Paint the DG set. Go back. Save. Okay. So what is we created? General maintenance task list. What we created is GMTL underscore BMW. GMTL underscore BMW created. Now to display list of task lists IA09. Now here activate all the task lists, function location task list, equipment task list, general maintenance task list, and created by. So there will be option. So here created by shaker, then execute. Now here you can see the system displays all the task lists what we created. The system displays all the task lists what we have created. Okay. Yeah. So with this we'll stop here. Next we'll discuss maintenance plan, the continuity of this topic in the next class tomorrow. So after this we need to discuss about the maintenance plan, then creating the strategy plan and all. Okay.
Okay.
So these are also the master data what we created: equipment task list, function location task list, and general maintenance task list. Okay. So these
Okay.
master data is why we are not discussed means because it has to be discussed at this point of time. So I have discussed this one. Okay, guys.
Okay.
So tomorrow we'll discuss about the maintenance plan, then how to create a strategy plan. Okay. Then creating maintenance items for the maintenance plan, scheduling the maintenance, then how we'll get all the orders and all we'll see. So with this we complete the preventive maintenance. Okay.
Okay.
So by this we'll complete all the scenarios. Okay.
Okay.
So we have completed all the scenarios of the maintenance processing executions and different types of maintenance orders. We have seen regular maintenance, that is corrective maintenance. We have seen breakdown maintenance, one scenario, breakdown maintenance, two scenario. Then we have seen refurbishment of the spare parts. We have seen the calibration inspection. Yeah, guys.
Yes, sir.
Then after the calibration inspection, we have seen this one, the preventive
Preventive
maintenance are
maintenance.
going on.
Preventive process.
Yeah. So these are all
Okay.
the all we discuss. The order types PM01, PM02, 03, 04, 05, and 06. Okay. See you guys tomorrow
Okay.
the same time.
Okay.